It's a new year, so that means it's time to give yourself some resolutions for your business. Hi, it's Seto from Renderforest. Now that it's finally 2022, in this week's video, I'll be giving 5 tips as it relates to your New Year's plans as a business owner, or just things to think about as a small business owner during this new year. In this video, we'll be giving away 3 free HD downloads. The first 3 people to comment with the timestamp of when Randy appears will win. Tip number 1, marketing online presence, looking at your past performance. Make sure that you have an online presence and that it is relevant to your customers. Look back at your sales from 2021. Which sources drove the best results and sales? Which platforms drove the most traffic? Cut out what is not working and double down on what is during 2022. Tip number 2, marketing online presence. This is looking forward for new goals. So set new financial and marketing goals. Be specific as possible when you're making these measurable goals, and also think to yourself, are there new platforms or advertising formats that you want to try out in 2022? If so, now is the time to make a plan and start thinking about and setting goals. Of course, if you are looking to revamp your branding direction, you can come here and to us for your branding needs. Tip number 3, vendors and subscriptions. Periodically review your vendors and suppliers to make sure that they are setting competitive prices and delivering quality services. The beginning of each year may be a good time to review your vendors. Also, this is a good time to make a list of all of your paid subscriptions that your company has. This can really add up over time, so after you calculate the total cost, reflect on what is necessary or what you can expand on. Tip number 4 is about equipment and technology. Equipment can include anything from company vehicles to assembly devices to make products. Make a list of the most critical equipment that you used every day as basics last year. Are there any things that are getting old or need maintenance? Maybe there's something that when unused that you can take advantage of now or sell off or just get rid of. Technology can be a little bit more difficult because it's always changing and updating. Think to yourself or talk to your team in terms of technology. What went well last year and what can be improved this year? Is there software or hardware that you can use to help be more effective or productive this year? If you can't afford to buy or rent the equipment or technology, you can set new financial goals to aim for during 2022, so that way you can be motivated to add these to your collection. Tip number 5 is about staff, employees, and benefits. Did you find yourself consistently understaffed last year or overstaffed last year? This is a good time to reflect about all the seasons last year to anticipate problems or patterns in the new year. Are there tasks or roles that need to become full-time? Have you thought about using freelancers? Is there a service that can be subbed out? Once you finish your review of 2021 finances, this will lead you into thinking about salaries and benefits for your team if you have one. Benefits could include reviewing your health insurance plan, retirement plan, or time off policy. Let's say you can't afford raises now or boost your health or retirement plans. Maybe you can offer to your Rockstar employees some non-financial perks like flexibility with work location or relax your time off policy. This last one is a bonus tip from me. While you're reviewing these things, keep the physical or digital copy organized. Tax season will be here faster than you know it, so while you're reviewing things like financial document, invoices, receipts, or any other important information like insurance claims, keep them safe and organized. Make sure you check with your CPA for any other documents that may be necessary for tax season. This should be a fun and enjoyable experience. Make your favorite drink, light a candle, wear some comfy clothes, play some music. You've had a long year. Take this moment to relax and reflect. Make your life simpler this year by using Renderforest. Whether you're making a logo, company video, mock-up, designing graphics, or building a website, we're here to help. You can use a promo code that appears now on your screen during checkout for a discount. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more creative and branding tool tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.